You briefly saw how we can start an application with Docker Compose. We just type Docker Compose up. Now, if the images are ready, Docker Compose will run them inside containers. Otherwise, it's going to build the images automatically. Now, before executing this, let's look at the available options. So here we have a ton of options. A couple of them that are useful are build. With this, we can force a rebuild every time we want to start our application. So we don't have to explicitly run Docker Compose build and then up. We can combine the two using the build option. The other useful option is -d for detached mode. So we will start these containers in the background. So take a look. All right, now if we run Docker Compose PS, we can see all the containers relevant to this application. In contrast, if we type Docker PS, we can see all the running containers across all applications, okay? So here we have 3 containers, Vidly, API1, Vidly DB1, and Web1. Now what is this one? Well, we can start multiple containers from the same image, and this is used for high availability and scalability. It's something we'll look at in the future. So here you can see the container. You can see what command started that container. So for our API, that was npm start. For our database, that was MongoD or Mongo daemon process. And for our web frontend, that was npm start as well. You can see all these containers are up and running. And over here, you can see port mappings. So now if we go to localhost port 3000, we can see our application. Beautiful. Now, how do we take this down? Let's say we're done with this application and we want to free up resources. Back to the terminal, we type Docker Compose down. This will stop and remove these containers, but the images are still there. So next time we want to start the application, our application will start pretty quickly.